Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east from Lucy towards Johnstown. Entering Johnstown, the road on the right will take you into Riley, Dry Hill, Greenland, Middlesex, Dyas, Kingsvale and other communities. Crossing the Harvey River. The road on the right will take you to Kew and Kew Mountain. The road here to the right, which we are turning onto, will take us to Dundee, Jericho, Tom Spring, Cascade and other communities. If we had continued straight, then the road will take us to Elgin Town, Point, Mosquito Cove and towards Montego Bay. This road will also take us into Kew. We are now en route to Jericho, Cascade, Great Valley and other communities. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.